You tell me what will I write. Roll number 3 have to tell, unmute and tell me about, first tell me about yourself and which program you wanted to do, and whatever the formula you tell, after that I will type the start typing.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is
Good morning.
Ajay. I am from Aero 2A section. So my roll number is 3. So today I am going to execute the program to find simple interest. So first of all, we have to declare 3 variables.
Okay, tell me the variables.
First of all, we declare 3 variables in the form of integer. A equal to.
Yes, A is equal to.
Int. Input. Enter.
Yes.
B equal to int input. Enter.
Yes.
And similarly, C equal to into input. Input. Enter.
Yes.
Then
next,
we need to give the formula for simple interest. Simple interest equal to.
Simple interest. I am giving you SI.
SI
is equal to
A into B into C by
A.
By 100 divided by 100.
Okay. Divided by 100. Okay. Then
so we need to print the simple interest.
Okay.
Print.
Yes.
Int SI.
Int SI.
We require 50 is output.
Achha. What's the inputs I will give?
500. 5.
5.
2.
2.
Yes,
okay. We'll run the program.
Yes, ma'am.
50. Is it similar to our input? Yes, correct. Yes. We will submit our program. Roll number 3 will submit now. Okay, very good. We are getting 100% mark. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now roll number. Now
4.
which roll number will come?
Roll number 4, ma'am.
4 will come. Before that, 57 also ready.
Okay.
Okay. 57. Wait for some time. I will give chance to roll number 4. After that, we will go for roll number 57. Okay. Now, what's the question? Now, question number 22. Swap of 2 variables. Roll number 4. Ready? Roll number 4. Unmute yourself and talk with me. Is roll number 4 ready?
Ma'am, she doesn't join the class.
Okay. Roll number 57 ready? 57. 57. Roll number 57. Unmute yourself. Roll number 57. Unmute yourself and talk with me. Roll number 57. Unmute yourself. Roll number 57.
Ma'am, in the participant list, there is no roll number 57, I think. Absent.
Is there, is there. He is unmuted actually. But he is not talking with me. I don't know why. Roll number 57. Talk with me. Maybe some disturbance is going on. Any other roll numbers are there? Okay, okay. You wait for some time. Roll number 57, you wait for some time. I will give. You don't have internet network pro. You have network pro issues, I think so. So wait for some time. After some time, we will give you. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, you will share the screen. Wait for some time. Next roll number 4.
Absent, ma'am.
5.
5 completed, 6 completed, ma'am.
Acha, then so 7. Now which roll number will to tell?
11, madam.
11. Roll number 11, unmute yourself. Roll number 11.
He just now left the class, ma'am.
Any other students?
13. Next roll number 13 is
13. Roll number 13. Okay. Roll number 57. 157. Ready? Are you ready? Unmute yourself and tell. Roll number 157. Unmute. Can I stop sharing my screen from my screen? Okay. I'll stop my share. Now roll number 57 will tell. Like this not will happen, but you have to tell, means what about you, all these things. This is video lecture, means you have to tell something about yourself and all. Only writing, chatting will not work. Okay, I will give you some chance after some time. Roll number 57, you wait for some time. Any other students? Where is roll number 3? Roll number 3.
madam.
Who will tell now? 57 mic problem is there for him. Otherwise he could tell. Now who will tell? No one? B section, anyone will tell? B section students. 57. Okay, you tell, I will tell, and you do program. You share your screen. 57. Hello? I will stop my share. 57. 157. I will stop my sharing, screen sharing, and you share your screen. Now you share your screen. 57. Which program you wanted to do? Just show me. What's your name? 57. Tell your name. I will share to all. What is your name? $50, 157. What is your name? Sai Karthik. Now Sai Karthik wanted to share. Sai Karthik is sharing his screen. He wanted to do swap of two variables. Okay. The question is program to show the swap of two variables without using third variable. First, okay. Start your online editor. A is equal to, now he taken two variables. A is equal to int input. He is asking input from user, so he is taking input int integer type variables, and he taken two inputs A and B. A is equal to int input and B is equal to int input, two variables. And C he taken another variable, C is equal to A. C stored the variable of A. What's the value we given for A? It stored for in C. What's the value of B? It stored A, because A is empty now. C, A value stored already in C. So B value stored here on A. Now A is empty, so B value stored in. Now B is empty. Now C value stored in B. So it is swapped. Print A and print B. First you give 5. First input is 5. Next input is A is equal to 5. B is equal to 4. Now we will run the program. What's the output? Some error came. What's the error? The C is capital C he given, but both are C is small c. So output we got. What's the output you got? 4 and 5. 1 minute, beta, 1 minute. See here, in swapping, if we will give A is equal to 5, B is equal to 4, swapping means it will convert A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5. Now we given here A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5. Now the numbers swapped each other on each variables. Variables changed. Now you submit your program. Okay, we got 100%. That's very good. Very good. 57. Now who will tell? Roll number 3. Who will tell? Very good. You stop sharing, beta. Karthik, you stop sharing. Roll number 3. Now who will tell?
My roll number 17.
Roll number 17. You wanted to share your screen. Otherwise, I will share my screen. You will tell which option you like.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I want to share my screen.
Okay, very good. You share your screen. First, give me your introduction.
My name is Harshit and my roll number is 117. I want to do the program of maximum of 3 digits.
Okay, very good. No, third program you have to do, no? Which program?
Okay.
See, what is the program? Serial wise only. Serial wise you have to do. Share your screen first. I will see which program is there on third.
Just a moment.
Share your build ID program. What happened? 17. Which program you want to do?
Hello.
Which program you want to do? Tell me. Greatest. Which program you wanted to do? You do yourself. No problem. No need to do third program. Okay. What happened to you? 17. 117. Where he went off? Ajay, where he went off?
Madam.
No, where he went off? 117.
117, just I'm calling him.
Okay, any other members? Back to back 2 to 3 members be ready, because one member will go, means some problem means another member will be ready, like that. Any other member wanted to share your screen, otherwise wanted to tell me your program? Send me a message. Any other member wanted to share me, wanted to... Any other member wanted to share your screen, otherwise I will write, you will tell me the program. No one is there. Out of 48 members are there today are present. Why so much less members out of 90, out of 100 members? Why only 50 members, 50%? B section, anyone not ready to tell me the program? B section, any one program on where your wish. B section, anyone wanted to share your screen, otherwise tell me your solution, I will write. 30, 41, 44, 57, 71, 72, 80, 80, 82, 84, 85, 86. Anyone? Ajay, now who will tell? Okay, in between I will explain third program. I don't want to waste this time, so that I will explain in between this third program. Program to find gross salary. Gross salary is equal to basic salary plus TA plus DA is 10% of basic salary. What is the question is there? Just see here, students. What is the, and the basic salary 10%, the what is DA? DA is 10% of basic salary. TA is 12% of, TA is 12% of basic salary. So DA, TA first we will calculate, after that we will add these three, that's it. Yes, and gross salary is equal to basic salary, means this one they given basic salary, they given, we have to find gross salary. Okay, can we do? Anyone wanted to tell me the solution? Anyone wanted to tell me the solution? Come forward, students. Anyone wanted to tell me the solutions? See, what is the question? Program to find gross salary. Gross salary is equal to basic salary plus TA plus DA. DA is 10%. 10% means we will find out 10%. Anyone interested to tell me this?
Can I share the screen? Ma'am, can I share the screen?
Yes. Tell me your name, beta. What's your roll number and what's your name, and share your screen. Now roll number 127 will share the screen. I will stop my screen. Share screen. Okay, roll number 127. Tell me about yourself and which program you wanted to tell. Just explain.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my name is Manikant.
Manikant.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Which program you wanted to do?
I just now said the program name gross salary.
Yes. Gross salary and third only. Third. Gross salary. Edit your program. Just now I have explained about gross salary. That one only the 127 will tell the programming. Program to find gross salary, basic salary plus TA plus DA. First we will find DA, after that we will find TA. You explain what you wanted to do.
Actually, I want to find the gross salary with a 10% of basic salary interest and
first you wanted to take basic salary, basic as a basic. You are taking as an input. integer as an input, and you are asking from users.
Yeah, okay. Yes, and next I will be calculating the DA value.
DA value we will find out. It is 10% of our basic salary. Yes, you find out 10% of our basic salary.
Basic times.
What happened? You say your screen should be increased, no? Now completed, no? Increase your editor screen. Very good. Now basic into 10%. Write down 10%. How you are writing? 0.1. This is also correct, and 10% we can write. That is also will be correct. Both will be correct. 10% means 10 by 100 means 0.1 we will get it. TA means it will be 12%. They given 0.12. Very good. 0.12 how we got 12 by 100.
12 by 100. 12 by
12
100.
by
is the value.
100 we got. So that 0.12. Next. Next, what is this beta? Just explain.
I'm adding the total value, gross salary value. That is gross basic plus DA plus TA.
Very good. Basic plus DA plus TA. Okay. Now 3 values we will add. Now print. Okay.
The value you are given is 100.
100. Yes. Okay, we'll run our program 122. But here float point we are getting. We need integer. Integer. What's the output they given? Integer only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Integer.
Yes. Integer.
Integer we given. So we should get our output should be integer. Otherwise 100% we will not get. Here small things also very much important because here write down integer only you write. Nothing will happen. Very good. Very good. 127. 127 got 100%, means all test cases satisfied. Very good. 127. Next, anyone is interested to do? Next, 29. Roll number 29.
Madam, roll number 23 is ready.
Roll number 23. Are you wanted to share your screen? Otherwise, I will share. You will tell the answer.
You share and I will tell, ma'am.
You will share, I will share.
You share, ma'am.
Okay. Which program you wanted to do, ma?
Largest number.
Largest number, okay. Largest number of 2, this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 3, here amongst 3. Program to find largest number amongst 3 values. Okay, what is the question?
Okay.
Just you do one thing. Give your introduction. After that, we will start your program.
Okay. My name is Lakshmi Swargam and my roll number is 123.
Yes.
My program for this session is largest number for three digits.
Okay.
To find the largest number among 3 values.
5, 4, 7. Reminder, 5, 4, 7 input. Output should be 7.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me what will I write for this?
Okay. A is equal to int input.
Is this case screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
A is equal to int of
input brackets.
Enter. Next.
B is equal to int input brackets.
Int input bracket. Now we will give parenthesis to ask C is equal to
int input brackets.
Okay. Next.
Now if A is greater than B.
If you are taking as a condition, you are asking conditions.
Yes, ma'am.
Means if condition, if statement A greater than B. Next, what will I write? And also inside
A greater than C.
And
outside, ma'am.
Where? Outside I will write. A greater than
inside itself, ma'am.
Okay, very good. No problem.
C.
Wherever you will tell, I will write.
And
A greater than C. Colon. Okay. Next.
Print in the next line.
Yes. Print
Print A is in parenthesis and
A. Print A. Enough.
quotation marks.
No need. Print A. We
A
will
is
print
great.
A. A. Print A. It will print automatically. Print A. Next line.
Now Elif.
Spelling tell.
ELIF.
ELIF. Very good. Now what will I do?
In the parenthesis, B is greater than A.
B greater than A. B greater than A. Next, 123. Where you went off? (123). Okay. 3 inputs she taken and if statement they taken. If A is greater than B and I is greater than C, then print A. If A is greater than B. Hello, 123.
B is greater than C.
In between where you went off?
Internet problem. Internet problem.
Next, what will I write?
Print B.
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 Next.
And now else.
Else. Else.
And colon.
Colon.
And now print B. Print C.
Print C. You explain me
C.
what you written. I didn't understand properly.
Here,
you just.
First, I told the user to input the values for A, B, C. Then
okay.
I have written the conditions to compare the 3 digits of the user's input.
Okay.
So in the first condition, I compared with A with B and C. In the second condition, I compared B with A and C. In the third condition, as C is the last digit, it compares
if
with
A and B both are small, then obviously it will be C. C will be great.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Like that only, no? Okay. We'll give the input.
Yes.
What's the input? So we'll give 5.
4, 5, 7.
4, 5, 7. Next, we will run our program. We got 7 is greatest number. Yes, 7 is greatest number.
Yes,
we will submit our program. We got 100%. Very good. Very good.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Now we will tell which roll number now. My share screen, why it is not showing front? Now 117 ready?
Yes, ma'am.
117. Okay. You wanted to share your screen, otherwise I will share my screen. You will do.
You share your screen.
Okay, then no problem. Tell me which program you wanted to do.
Your wish, ma'am. It is maybe 24th or 25th. Your wish.
25th bitwise and.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bitwise and he will do. First, before that, you tell about yourself and what is the program, about the program, question, details you tell, and after that we will start our online editor.
My name is Harshit and I'm from Aero A for second year. I'm going to present a bitwise AND program. In which will take 2 inputs, mostly integers.
Okay. Can I open an online editor?
Okay, in the first line, we'll write A equals to int
A
of
is equal
input.
to int of input.
Input.
We taken as a input. What is bitwise? What is the question? Bitwise and
Yes, ma'am. Bitwise and.
what is that? Can you explain me what is bitwise and?
So, as input, we take integers, and when integers are written in binary code, we have all ones and zeros. So, while using these bitwise and operator, we will compare binary operators of respective terms, and if both operators are one, I mean, if both the digits are 1 1,
then we will
we'll
get output
input as 1. And if any one of that is 0, we'll get output as 0.
0. Very good. If we will take as a two variables, first next one, what we will do? B I will write down two variables. B is equal to
int input.
Int input.
Parenthesis. Madam, you forgot parenthesis in the second line.
First one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Next, C equals to?
C is equal to?
A ampersand B.
A ampersand B.
Next, print C.
Print C. That's it?
Yes, ma'am. We will take inputs.
Input we will take. What is the input? 3. What is the input it was there? 8 and 4.
4 and
we should
8.
Get. We should get 0. 4, 8, 4. We should get our output 0. Okay, we got our output. We'll submit our program. Yes, we got 100%. Very good, very good. Next, who will tell me this? Who will tell me? Next. Ajay, who is ready now?
Next roll number 44.
34? Roll
44.
number 44. Okay, roll number 44. Unmute yourself and tell me about yourself and which program you wanted to do. You wanted to share the screen, otherwise I will share the screen. You tell me the solution. Roll number 44. First unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, I will share the screen, ma'am.
Okay, I will stop my sharing screen. Now you tell. You share your screen, which program you wanted to do and what is the program, you tell me.
Ma'am, I'm going to do the volume of sphere.
First share your screen. What is your name, you tell.
Ma'am, my screen sharing is not coming. Can you please share the screen for me, ma'am?
Okay. Which program you wanted to do?
Volume of a sphere.
Volume of a sphere.
Yes,
now you tell about yourself and which this is about this program you just explained some 1-2 lines. After that we will go for online editor.
My name is Pranay. I'm from Aero and my roll number is 144.
Yes.
In this program we are going to find the volume of a sphere by taking the radius.
Yes. We'll go for online editor. So radius they given, we wanted to get the output of volume of a sphere. We'll go for online editor. You tell what will I write? Tell me.
R equal to.
R is equal to.
Input.
INT can I write?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, R equal to float which need to take, ma'am.
Because your float they given.
Yes, madam.
Float of input. Next.
Next line. We need to take volume equal to.
Volume of V I will write. V is equal to. Okay, volume we will write here, no problem. Volume is equal to
4/3.
4/3. I will keep inside one bracket. 4/3 into
22 by 7
22 by 7
into
into
A.
Which A, huh. Why I kept a bracket means because this bracket should work very fast. After that, these multiplications will work second. If you will keep bracket, it will be the correct output. You will get it. Next,
Yes, ma'am.
what will go for? Next,
Start.
enter.
Ma'am, in volume A after star 3, ma'am.
Okay, I am giving you A cube, no? A cube. I'm giving you 3s. That's the same only. A cube, 2 types you can write. Star 3 or 2. 3 you will write. Otherwise, A multiplied A. Both are same. Okay. Next, print.
Print volume, ma'am.
Volume. You'll get output. What is the input they given? As per sample 3.5. Output should be 179.7. 3.5. Okay, we'll get run output. Error came. Where error came? A is not defined.
Instead of A, we need to take R, ma'am.
Why you told then A? See. Whatever you will tell, that only I will write, no?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
So many came. It will not come output 100, I think so. 0 came. Because output should match for our input. Tell me what's the output you will get here. We got many 6, but we want only 1 6 here.
Ma'am, in print we need to write.
We need to write. What do we need to write? Can anyone will tell me what do we need to write? Unmute and tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Round of volume comma 1.
Round of
volume comma 1.
Round of volume comma
1.
Okay, we will run this program. Okay, I missed here bracket. Okay, we'll run this program, submit our program. Okay, we got 100%. Very good, 174. Very good, 117. What is your roll number, beta? 20. Internet issues, I think so. Okay. Now who will tell?
19, ma'am.
1? Your roll number 45. 44, very good. 44, roll number 44, very good. Very good.
Ma'am, can I share the screen?
Yes, I will stop my share screen. You share your screen and which program you wanted to do. Tell about yourself. After that, we will start our program.
Yes.
Share your screen first.
Is my screen visible now?
Yes. Your voice also audible. Your screen also visible.
I am doing program of voters eligibility.
Voters eligibility. Achha. What is the program? You tell me. Just tell your name.
My name is Jashwant, ma'am. My roll number is 19.
19. Okay.
Can I start?
Okay. Continue. What is the program they given? Voters eligibility?
Yes, ma'am. What is the eligibility for voting?
Acha. Minimum age is 18 years, no?
Yes.
So if 18 years, more than 18 years, it is eligible, the person. If less than 18 years, the person will not be eligible. So it should be, we will write our program in if condition, I think so.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, continue. What you are doing, just explain while writing.
Age is greater than or equal to 18. Then can vote.
If age is greater than 18, then print vote. Else print not eligible. Okay.
He has given us to find for 15 years now.
Yes. We have to find for 15 years.
Yes, ma'am.
What mistake you done?
Sorry, ma'am. By mistake.
Okay, okay. No issues. You just continue. Print. Still you are getting some problem. Just check here. If you are getting some problem, check. Here, what problems? See here down in your standard output page, you check which problem. Click there. In else, somewhere you are print indentation problem. In print, proper place it in placed.
Yes, ma'am. Here, PA.
See what the error it came on indent does not match any outdoor. Means it is indentation problem.
Yes.
Okay. After getting problem, don't go for program. What problem you are facing? Just check and that only you solve.
Proper indentation is
else. E also you have to place. See, E also indentation problem. Correct now. Not eligible. Submit your program. 50. Why 50? It came.
Don't know, ma'am.
In print you write eligible. Eligible.
Yes, ma'am.
You got 100? Yes. If you will write some spelling mistake also in Build IT, they will not accept as all test cases are fulfilled. Now you got very good.
Haven't given anything for eligible.
But here they written in question. Click the question. I will show you. See, the person is eligible means non-eligibility and eligibility are you have to write.
Yes,
okay, next. Next, who will tell now? Next
roll number 47, madam. 47.
47? Okay.
Thank
roll
you,
number? You wanted to share your screen, otherwise I will share my screen.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sairam.
Okay, good.
I will share my screen, ma'am.
Okay. You share your screen and which program you wanted to do, just explain that one.
Yes, ma'am. Can you see my screen, ma'am?
Yes, it's visible.
I would like to explain the program on number of days in February, ma'am.
Acha, very good. In February, 28 days and 29 days. If it is leap year, it is 29 days. If it is not leap year, normal year, it will be 28 days. In 4 years, it will come every leap year. Yes, so we have to keep the formula. Okay,
yes,
go for this.
Here, we will take the number of days as input, ma'am.
Okay. Generally years are 365, but here 366 they given, means this is a leap year.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Now let us take the number of days in the variable A, ma'am.
Yes. In int input of, give parenthesis, input spelling mistake, input of, okay, good. Next line. Okay, you tell and do what you wanted to do, formula.
Here in the question, we can see that we have to use the ternary operator, ma'am. So we have to use ternary operator now.
Yes, you use this ternary operator.
Now the syntax of the ternary operator is, first we have to give true statement, and then if, and then the condition, else, and then the false statement, ma'am.
False statement, yes.
First we will give the true statement.
Yes. First you give true statement.
Now the true statement is print the number of days is as 29.
Yes.
And then if. And the condition is if A is equal to 366. And then else. Now the false statement. Print 28. If the condition is true, that means if the input is 366 days per year, then the number of days in February will be 29 days, ma'am.
Will print.
Now we will give the input 366 days. Here we get the output 29 days, ma'am.
29. Ternary operator we used. First we given only true statement. After that we will give false statement in one line.
Yes, ma'am. Now we will submit the program.
Okay. Submit your program.
Yes, ma'am. We got 100% score.
If without ternary operator, if we will do, then we have to give formula. Means yes, 400. If 400 divided percentile 100 is equal to 1, like that. The formula will be there. That formula we will use.
Yes, ma'am.
First we will give 400 is equal to 0 percentile. That percentile is, we should get a 0. Our remainder should get 0. And what is that formula? You know? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. First we will check with 400, and then with 100, and then with 4.
Then 4. Then we will check with 4. Okay.
If all the conditions are true, then it's a leap year.
True, then it will become a leap year. If the conditions are false, then it is not a leap year.
Yes,
but this is a ternary operator they asked, so that we can do like this. Okay, yes, very good. Very good. 147. Next, who will tell? Next, last one person only. Who will tell last? Now, Ajay, now who will tell?
Ma'am, remaining members will tell in the next week, ma'am. They have some problems.
Okay. Today A section completed. Next Saturday all B section should be tell. Students. B section students be ready for next class. Basics completed. Now we will go for level 1. Next Saturday level 1 to 10. We have to start. Now any doubt, I will share my screen. I will show you another program. Volume of the square question, number of days in February. I think everything covered today. Every problem covered. No need to explain any other things. Number of days in February covered. Question reminder last level 2 it was there. Means 10 to 20. Volume of sphere it was completed today. Largest of 3 numbers it was completed today. Voters eligibility completed today. Bitwise operator completed today. Shift bits can I show you? It was not completed. It will shifted input data by 2 bit to left. Means left shift. Means left shift and right shift they given. Both shifts. If we will take as an what is the question? Anyone can do this, otherwise I will tell. Roll number 3, anyone wanted to do this left shift or right shift? Only formula we can use, no need to do anything. Yes, tell me. A is equal to int of input we will take. Next directly we will print, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Print A left
less
shift
less than
2. That's it, no?
Yes, ma'am.
We will get output here. What is the value they given? 2. Run our program. What happened? Achha, spelling mistake.
Input.
We got 8. Means here they given here wrong. Actually mistake they given. 16 will not come.
Yeah,
16 will not come actually.
Yes, ma'am. If you do 3 less than 3, you will get 16.
Yes. if you will give your less than 3, then we are getting 16. Then we will get 16. Right shift means what I will write? Tell me. Print
Greater than.
Print A greater than 2 means you will get minimum 0. I think so. 0 means right. The see it here. What is the 2 means? 2 means what is the value? 0 0 0 1 0. This is the value, no? And what's the output we will get here? 2 means left shift. For left shift, what is the output? That it will be shifted from here. 0 shifted 2 part. 1 0 0 0. Yes, this one shifted on 4th place. And in our left shift, what it will right shift, what it will come? 0 0 0 0 means this one shifted on this place. It means nothing here is there. Empty space. So we are getting 0. Any doubt? If you will give 3 also on right shift of 2 or 3, then also we will get 0. Then also we will get 0. Because any shifts up to 2 means 2 value will right shift and left shift will get 0. Any other doubts, students? Shall we stop our class? Monday I will explain you encapsulation and all OOPS theory, in-depth theory I will explain you. Monday lab class is not there, I think so. Class is there.